Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Fellow citizens of Sokoto State, following the sad incident that happened at the Shagari College of Education Sokoto on Thursday, a sequel to the developments within the metropolis this morning to this afternoon, by the powers of Section 176(2) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Section 1 and 4 of the Public Order Act, and also Section 15 of Sokoto State Peace Preservation Law, I hereby declare curfew within the metropolis of Sokoto Township for the next 24 hours. I appeal to the good people of Sokoto State to kindly continue to observe law and order and calm down the restiveness that is currently pervading in the metropolis, and that everyone should please, in the interest of peace, go back home and observe these measures with a view of establishment of peace, law and order in the state. It is not in the interest of anyone for us to have a breakdown of law and order. And I therefore appeal for restraint and for people to observe and respect the rule of law. Thank you very much.